Hey guys, welcome back to Gajin Garage. What I'm doing today we are following up on the TXX that my son bought. And as you can see, last video that we did on this car, TXX project, he replaced the headlights on it with his buddy. Now today it's my turn. He does have a valve cover leak gasket, so I'm gonna take over that. I want to take all this apart. I got an aftermarket valve cover and the belt we gotta put on this car, so that belt looks kind of cheesy. But besides that, hit like, hit share, subscribe, thumbs up. I'm sorry if some of you don't like my videos. I'm sorry, that's the United States. You can do whatever you guys in the world. But anyway, I went to a car show in my last video. I won 2 trophies, but I only picked up one, and my boy Brother Camaro brought me the other one. Thank you, bro. It was the Best Engine Bay all motor, almost like a Best Engine Bay deal. I already had a Best Engine Bay from Face Off, big huge trophy. Now I got another one about that. That's cool. That brings total trophies on the CRX 11. Trophies on the CRX. Rest in peace, my Integra. I had 11 too. And that beautiful thing got 0. For the next car show, I'm taking that one instead of the CRX. Plans for this month coming up. So, oh, by the way, check it out. Oh, my boy, I bought this hat over there in the show, and then this, I get you his business card so you can follow on Instagram. I bought 5 Hondas, 400 from him, and he threw that on me for my S2000. Thank you, bro. But anyway, my plan for this month. This is the plan. I have a big purchase that I gotta go get. It's in Jacksonville, Florida. It's coming overseas. You'll be here on the 5th of the next month. I still selling this car right here. Nobody have bought it today or tomorrow. I'm gonna take the tires off, put it back together, and if nobody still wants to buy it, I'm gonna replace the head gasket one more time, and I can sell it like that. Then the next thing in this month, all the projects that I'm doing this month is working on this. Definitely need to get back on this. I want to get this out of here and finish the hatch in the back. I got the drag car supposed to be arriving, I don't know when, to my house. I'm running out of place because I have a Toyota Aristra. My boy Juan in Japan helped me out get it. It's for sale when it gets to the States. So with that said, I got a lot of things going on this month. Hopefully you don't miss that on my channel. I know, guys, it's a Toyota, but I'll be in and out missing, you know. I'm doing a lot of things with a little short time, so you gotta be patient with me. I do have parts right here for the hatchback in the back. You can see the wheels on those soles are installed. Check it out. Forgot to tell you about that. Look how they're good. It looks really good on the Del Sol. I love them. The 15-inch wheels by 8 Koenigs. So she's following my footstep on that. Car runs good, looks amazing. This guy's for sale. If anybody in YouTube land wants to buy it, let me know. We make a deal. That's the winner. The truck, the S2, that. If you ain't ever seen my barn, this is half of my barn. I found my daughter's VW back there, and I got the hatch with a K-swap over there. And I'm still missing the racing hatch, S2000, the Integra that had to be back into the house. And I got one more CRX that's not here. So yes, I have a lot of cars. So with that said, hope you have my channel. Hit like, subscribe, and I work on a little bit of everything. So right now, I'm gonna work on this baby. We're gonna see what's going on with this baby. It's an OEM product, so we're gonna have to take all these little gadgets here out. I'm gonna lay it down here on the table. We're gonna go from that. So, like, subscribe, let me get ready. Alright guys, so I already took out the power steering pump. It looked like somebody did that at one point. All cover looks good, these are alright. But if we go here, what I have to do is disconnect the power steering pump. Use this. So I disconnected the power steering pump from there, if I can move it, and I disconnect it from here. I put it up like that so it doesn't leak. Now we're gonna look where, you see right here on the bottom, right here. This is where it's leaking from. And don't tell me because the car's in an angle, blah 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 blah. No, this is where it's leaking from. All that area right here, that's what I was leaking from right here. This is very notorious on this vehicle, guys. Especially for the motor's leaning back. We don't get to see that often, like there. It's very notorious to leak here in the corners. And then, see right here? Right here is full of oil. Yep. That's telling me that this has been leaking for a few days or more. VTEC cylinder looks clean. And this is giving me a chance to look at the valve of the head. It is a dual cam head, dual VTEC motor. Everything looks pretty good, pretty clean. Looks like a pretty clean oil so far. You know what I mean? So here, let me clean it. Just when I always get a motor apart and I bought a vehicle, whatever I do, my first thing that I do, I'll always clean up around it. Let me show how everything's doing. All the clips right here are fine. I can tell you all these clips from the coils are broken. And I know why, because this thing is notorious to come off when they break. The guy that owns the vehicle put 2 coils just to make sure they didn't leak, you know. And we did the same valve cover that we're about to put on. And look, not even glue. Guys, you have to glue these. But anyway, that's good for me because I got less to clean. But with that said, now that I got the car apart, you know, I know what I'm working with. He didn't do a bad purchases. All this stuff that you're seeing right now, bro, it can be fixed. You can go on Amazon, you can buy those clips, replace those clips. As a matter of fact, if you watch a couple of my YouTube videos on my S2000, I replaced all of them in my S2000 because of that. It cost me only $25. You can get them from Amazon. It's very easy to do. It will take you about maybe an hour to do if you do not know what you're doing. Usually you can buy a kit like this. Something like that will help you out, or something like this tool right here will help you out. Besides that, I'm about to replace the battery on the camera. I am gonna clean this a little bit with brake cleaner. And these don't look broken at all, so I'll leave these alone for now. It looks like somebody replaced them already. But I am cleaning this with brake cleaner, and then I'm gonna let it dry. Put a little bit of silicone that I have right there. Hold it in place. Infuse area, let it dry, and then I put it back together. Type back everything now that you guys saw on that car back together. And then I'm gonna do the belt. I'm gonna put everything back together how it's supposed to. I'll do the belt, and that's it. I'll be set for the day, and this project is done. Any question on this car and this project, hit me like, hit, share, subscribe. I mean, talk to me about it. Hit me a message. Car was purchased for $3 grand, basically. Not bad. Not brand new brakes, rotors, all the way around. Nice interior. The speaker doesn't work. The radio works. The speaker don't work. So I don't know if it's the radio or there's no speakers on the car. This right here is a brand new wheels that we should keep off of the car. The car is pretty clean. The only thing is that the roof lining is gonna be done, but regardless, you know, A little bit of rust there. A nice daily driven vehicle, basically. That's what this is. So, alright, headlights, chair. I mean, sorry about repeating myself again, but let me put the camera down. Let me get some batteries for it. Alright guys, so I found Alright guys, so here we go. Motor's done. Everything back together the way it is. Only thing I did was put this back on so it looks Gaijin style, Bobby. And now I'm gonna turn the car on. I'll verify there's no oil coming off from the back. I'm gonna clean that up with a brake cleaner and I'm gonna let the car run. Let's see what happens. Alright guys, so the car's been running for the past 10 minutes and no more leaks or nothing like that. Guys, the next step on this project is going to be my next video, is replacing the belt on the vehicle. And the next one, you see how it's going to be done. You know, it's not a modifying car like this one behind me, but at least give you an idea how to do it when you're at home. You don't want to pay a mechanic. Alright guys, peace out, be safe, and good washing.